I mean by I just have a bit about them.
So yeah, behave like that.
That's it, come on. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I have a special guest right here. This is my older sister.
Only.
Just say your name, please.
My name is Chantal May.
Anyways, as you can see, I transformed her into me. As you can see. Stay tuned guys and watch the full video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, Boss. Family. Yo, I know this. I mean, say family. Sure. If I want him, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I mean, say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. You would the earth, one of them. Real kill it, they to the end, they from me start. Me real better them. That them no know when we are buy 3 sardines and 1 pound of rice from shop. And them no know when we are get chased by cops and the mac and the hand job. And all the woman make it now. No struggle feel. And me know all of the. And me know who we now make them trick me and kill me. No way you must. Life are the greatest thing that me no let go. My God, can't trick me and kill me. No way, you must see mad. Life are the greatest thing that me no let go. Now me no let my God. And me energy them want it. When me see it clear, say them a mango. Them know so that you tell a friend. They no play like rhythm and blues. Man loyal, too loyal. Someone with his think off like court trial. Informer want judge up me on trial. Them days and me don't just no boy nor girl. Me no know if heaven is real, but me know for a fact I know every man real. Some boy I don't think I clean. Them no want see a next youth living. Tell every evil and demon. Them can't stand me in a island. Anytime me a drive on my van, big fat matic in a me right hand. Now make them trick me and kill me.
The Proud Family. What? You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.